Want to know the fastest way to ruin your 20s? Follow this playbook, and you'll sabotage your future in record time. Ready to take notes? First, drown yourself in content that fuels your anger. The more outraged you feel, the more you're being used as a pawn for profit. Second, never ask questions that might make you look foolish. It's better to stay silent and miss opportunities than risk a moment of embarrassment, right? At night, embrace restlessness. Binge watch stimulating videos until your brain is fried. And keep that screen as close as possible. Blue light, your best friend. Stay perpetually busy like a hamster on a wheel. Chase the next thing and then the next without ever pausing to reflect. Exercise, skip it. Discipline is overrated. Just do what feels good in the moment. Comfort is king, after all. Addiction, pick the most popular ones so you fit in. Social media is a great place to live for other people's approval. And don't forget, listen to everyone because they're always right, and you're always wrong. Stay connected 24/7 so you never miss out, even if it's meaningless noise. Be a consumer, not a creator. The internet was built for that, wasn't it? Never explore your passions or update your worldview. Just sit and wait for inspiration to magically strike. Avoid books because, let's face it, they're for old people. Fast food, perfect. Eat quickly, sleep less, and when you feel lost or empty, just ignore it. After all, we're just stardust floating in the universe. So why complicate things by trying to fix your life? Or ... you could choose differently. Your 20s can be the foundation of a life you're proud of. The choice is yours. Want to know the secret to turning your mindset around? Check out this video on the power of self-talk. It might just change everything.